Hey guys, what's going on today? Random Andrew, giving you a little bit of a break from the small town short video tours. Plus, gotta get some RC time in. As well, this is giving me an ample opportunity. I don't know if you can see in the reflection of my glasses, but the camera it actually looks like an evil minion. It's got this purple fluff sticking up, covering the mic. Hopefully, taking care of some wind noise for us. So what am I doing out here for RC time today? Well, you know, I'm hooked on the brushless Stampede. I'm hoping there's no wind noise in this. But yeah, man, this thing is just unbelievable. It's fun, just ripping up, bashing. I guess it's just straight up bashing. There it is. Got a little bit of a wobble in the one front tire, but I think that's because of the one hex I got on it. It's not really that good. Not hurting anything. These aren't serious tires, and it'll be getting a tear down shortly. There you go. One 4x4 brushless Stampede. And side note, this guy didn't actually start life brushless. I think this was a brushed Stampede, and that's why it's got the no name. I can't even remember the name of the system that's in it. But it's 130 amp hobby wing, I think. So I'm gonna set the camera up and get some nice dusty drift shots. I hope. Third time's a charm. Let's get this. Whew. Now it is a really hot day today, so I suppose it's a wise idea we be checking on some temperatures here. Oops, sorry guys. Motor's pretty warm, not too hot. I can still hold my thumb on it, which means I don't have it geared too high for in this heat. It's something you always got to be really careful of. Let's forget about counting calories just for 5 minutes. Let's have some donuts. Now, these are a harder rubber tire. They aren't the soft rubber. They're more of a toy grade tire, but man, are they ever a blast out here. I'm gonna have to say that other than proper tires, like a good set of 2.8 trenchers all the way around would be phenomenal. Better body. As you can see, this one's kind of knackered. Some bearings. Other than that, this truck is set up pretty dang good. I don't think I really have to do much else to it. I'm gonna go home, have a look at this footage, and see if it's windproof or not. Time will tell. It's really a matter of me going home and watching. But in the meantime, I'm gonna kill this battery. Doesn't take long to kill a 2S in it. Oh, range issues too. So maybe a better transmitter someday. Oh, and we're all good. I mentioned it's really, really hard to do this one-handed, full tilt. Oh, and it's on its wheels again. Alright, I'm gonna run this battery down the rest of the way. We'll catch up back at the house. I got some more editing of Highgate videos to do. Adventures with Mom. Hope you guys have been enjoying those. There's been some pretty neat videos. I like doing those videos. More of those to come. Okay, so back home after that lovely little run. It's actually quite a bit later. I figured I'll wrap this video up, edit it out, post it, and that's a little update on what I've been doing for RC stuff. Oh, it will be when I'm done. Anyhow, remember I was saying about it's a dynamite fuse. It's not actually a hobby wing, but it may as well be. They use all the same stuff, don't they? So the truck, the Stampede, 4x4 Stampede, is holding up well. I think it's doing a rather good job. The only problem I'm really having is some issue with keeping tires on rims. They're going on with my Traxxas Max tires as well. Good tire glue will take care of that in time. I just, believe it or not, still haven't made it up to London to AVF. I'm pretty much out of money now for the month too, so I'll just keep using the cheap tire glue, keep re-gluing them, and keep going out and ungluing them, essentially. But today wasn't a day about testing the truck, now was it? It was a day about testing out this microphone wind piece. Here, let me change up the table real quick and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So there you have it. This is actually just a piece of fuzz from a pillow, but you see it's got the fabric bottom to it. The long hairs. Cut a little section of that, big enough to cover my two little, they're just like little pinhole mics on top of where the flash piece is, up top of the camera. And some two-sided tape that I trimmed up to fit as not covering the mics, but surrounding it. Peel the stuff so that it's sticky and then put my little pieces on, or my piece. It's not staying on, as you can tell right now. That's me rubbing the fur back down onto the two-sided tape. It's dollar store two-sided tape, so I might just have to redo it with some hot glue. But now that I know this fuzz fur stuff does work, actually, hang on. This stuff, now that I know that it works, I'm actually going to take the time to hot glue this little piece around and make sure that those mics don't get covered, and then it's going to be nearly, I'd say like 80% windproof. It was really windy out today, and if you go back and you watch all that footage and you listen behind the music, behind the RC sounds, you're going to notice there's not a whole heck of a lot of wind, except for when I'm facing kind of right towards it, and when I'm pointing the camera down like that, it puts those microphones directly in the path of the wind, like straight at it. And it was still minimal wind noise, and I could talk over it, you could hear things over it. I'm much happier with that, because believe me, the wind noise has been the vein, no pun intended, of my existence. So, I hope you enjoyed today's little RC vlog. It was fun. I do still really enjoy getting out there filming it, but we need more. We need more. The more the merrier. Chewy's down with a busted axle right now, so we're going to get him taken care of. And, well, he's going to get himself taken care of. And we're going to get back out there with some more jumps. We're We're going to try and do some synchronized jumping, some synchronized front flips, and oh, just all kinds of fun sounding stuff until you have to fix the trucks. Thanks for watching. Think positive, stay positive, keep a smile on your face. We'll see you here in the next vlog. Good night. This vlog's over.